In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge audio and video in Clipchamp. Whether you're creating content for social media, a presentation, or a personal project, combining audio and video files into a seamless experience can enhance the quality and engagement of your work. So, let's dive in and get started with Clipchamp, a user-friendly platform that makes video editing straightforward and efficient. First and foremost, open your web browser and search for Clipchamp. It should be easy to find as it's a popular tool for video editing. Once you're on the Clipchamp website, go ahead and log in with your credentials. This might be through a dedicated account or a social media login, depending on how you've set it up. Logging in ensures you have access to all your previous projects and the full suite of editing tools available. Now that you're on the Clipchamp homepage, let's create a new video. Click on the button that says Create a New Video. This will take you to the editor, where you'll see various options to build your project. Focus your attention on the option to import media, which you'll find in the Your Media tab on the left sidebar. Click the Import Media button to proceed. The next step involves uploading your files. Browse through your computer's files to select both your video and audio files that you want to merge together. Being well organized with your file location can save you time here, so make sure everything you need is readily accessible. Once your files are uploaded, they will appear in the Your Media panel. Select your video file and drag it down to the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Doing so allows you to visually see your video file ready for editing. Following this, take your audio file from the Your Media panel and drag it onto the timeline directly below the video track. To align your audio perfectly with the video, click and drag the audio clip along the timeline so that it matches up with the start of your video. If you're working with separate audio recordings, such as a voiceover, creating a clapping sound in both recordings can help you visually align the audio waves more easily. In cases where your audio track runs longer than your video, you can trim it by clicking the end of the audio clip and dragging the green handle to the left. Adjusting the volume is just as simple. Click on the audio clip on the timeline and use the volume slider that appears in the audio panel on the right to set the desired level. If your video already contains audio and you wish to replace it, right-click on the video clip in the timeline and select Audio followed by Detach. This action separates the audio track, which you can then mute or delete. Finally, after making sure everything lines up correctly and sounds good, head over to the top right corner of the editor and click the Export button. This step finalizes your project, allowing you to save it and share it as needed. And there you have it, a newly merged audio and video file ready for whatever purpose you have in mind.